Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Focus at Will routines for timed work sessions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Focus at Will. Log into your account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Routines section in the menu. Here, you'll find various pre-designed routines for different work sessions. Select a routine that fits your needs. Press the Add to My Routines button. You can customize the duration of your work session here. Choose a time that works best for you, typically 25 to 50 minutes. After setting the timer, click Save. Now, go to your dashboard to find your customized routine. Click on your routine to begin. Make sure your audio settings are adjusted to your preference. Select a music channel that you believe will enhance your focus. Press the play button to start your session. Stay dedicated to your work until the timer goes off. Once finished, take a short break before starting the next session. Review your productivity using the Focus at Will insights available on your dashboard. And that's how you install Focus at Will routines for timed work sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.